Hello everyone, Dr. Devika Rai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Dental Planet. Topic for today is cell cycle and cell division. It's a very basic topic in embryology. Everyone must know about it. I'll be dividing this topic into three parts. So today I'll be discussing first part, that is phases of cell cycle. As we all know, cell division is a very important process in all living organisms. Every body starts from a single cell and then later on, single cell divides and growth happens. So that process of cell division is known as cell cycle. So what is cell cycle now? The sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its genome and synthesizes the other constituents of the cell and eventually divided into two daughter cells is termed cell cycle. So cell cycle is nothing but where the cell itself growth happens and the constituents of the cell it increases and DNA will replicate and it is ready for when it is ready for cell division, it forms a two daughter cells. So that complete process is known as cell cycle. So there are phases of cell cycle. There are two phases, okay? That is interphase and M phase. Interphase it is also known as resting phase. M phase is also known as mitosis phase. So it is a schematic diagram of the cell cycle. So as I explained, there are two phases of cell cycle. That is, one is mitosis phase, that is M phase, and one more is interphase, that is resting phase. Mitosis phase is nothing but it is a phase where actual cell division is occurring. In detail, we'll learn it in later videos. Okay. So now in this video, I'll be explaining about the interphase. It is also known as resting phase. Okay. This resting phase where the preparation for cell division is occurring. Okay. So there are three stages. In further, interphase is divided into three stages. That is G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. G1 phase, that is gap 1 phase, S phase, that is synthesis phase, G2 phase, that is gap 2 phase. In G1 phase, cell growth occurs. It lies between the mitosis phase and synthesis phase. Here, just the cell will increase in size, the growth of the cell occurs. In synthesis phase, where the synthesis, that is DNA replication, occurs, you know, right? Genes, DNA. So that DNA will replicate here to form a two daughter cell. In G2 phase, where the proteins will synthesis, it is the stage where preparation for mitosis occurs. So next phase will be mitosis. So when it comes to G2 phase, everything, the constituents of the cell should be ready for the cell division. So it is about the interphase. So it's very simple. Cell cycle, whole cell cycle, it is divided into two phases, that is M phase and interphase. M phase where the actual cell division occurs, interphase that is resting phase, that is where the preparation of cell occurs. Okay, so that is about the cell cycle. One more stage is that G0 phase. You can see here G0 stage. Here what happens is some cells in adult animals do not appear to exhibit cell division. Some cells it does not exhibit cell division. For example, in cell death cases or injury cases, cell will die and it does not undergo next stages, that is cell division stages. So what happens is that that cell will replace the new cells. Understood? So in that cases, cell division does not occur. Further stages does not occur. Also known as quiescent stage, that is G0 stage. So that's all about cell cycle and cell division part 1. So we'll discuss more about this in upcoming videos. I hope you all understood. If you all liked the video, click on thumbs up button, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.